nagulat ka ba sa
Yes, okay. Nagulat po. Pero unahan ko na po kayo. Hindi po ako magpo-comment sa kahit anong questions about...
Kayo na lang daw ni Catherine. Pareho naman kayo single.
Hey guys, ito po si Catherine.
Ito po si Alden Richard. Hello, I'm Alden.
Hello, this is Catherine. Hello guys, this is Catherine Chandria Manuel Bernardo.
And this is Richard Reyes, our Richard... Ano ba yun?
Alden, actually nung sinabi nila na si Alden, hindi ko alam kung ano mag-feel ko kasi natakot ako. Tinanong ko kung, posible ba yun? Kasi alam natin na parang imposible po dati. Pero I'm really glad na si Alden yung napili nila. Very glad. Thank you talaga.
So, siguro goodbye for now and see you soon.
Bye and we'll see you soon.
Yeah,
Kasi I have this feeling na hindi ito yung ano,
This will not be...
hindi maging last. Yun, medyo nakakasad ngayon. Napatapos na. Ka-emotionally kasi ayaw mo gawin yung isang bagay na hindi kasama yung tao na to, na nakasanayan mo. So parang, syempre gusto mo mag-work tong Hello, Love, Goodbye, pero ayaw kong matalo nun yung House of Us. Ayaw ko na, alam mo yun, kasi ayaw ko ma-feel na iniwan ko siya.
Kinumpirma na ng real-life couple na Cathniel na hiwalay na sila.
Kinumpirma ni Catherine Bernardo na hiwalay na sila ng kaniyang ka-love team at nobyong si Daniel Padilla matapos ang 11 taong relasyon.
Last year was a very, very hard time for me. And it's so hard to find real friends in the industry. So eto lang, wala, pinrove lang nila na, possible pa rin. Makahanap ka ng mabubuting tao sa industriya.
I'm just focusing on what I want. I'm just focusing on myself.
Right.
It's just me, my growth, my future, and the things that make me happy.
Right.
This love is good, this love is bad, this love is a light back from the dead. These hands had to let go free, and this love came back to me. This love left a permanent mark, this love is glowing in the dark. These hands had to let it go free, and this love came back to me.
Ilang din talaga kailangan laging ipamalita sa social media yung mga ganyan. But sometimes yung mga personal things that's happening, better be personal. Gising ka sa umaga na meron kang look forward. So excited and very happy that this is happening.
Alden kasama mo dyan? Your lucky charm?